Hot Rod Power Tour 2018, the final day. Sad to go, but it's not over yet. We gotta go check out a lot of cars here. We got drag racing. We're at the ZMAX Motor Speedway here in Charlotte, North Carolina. There are multiple parking lots full of cars, tons of vendors to go check out. Let's go take a look.
Another big part of our travels centers around Holley Performance. Now Holley MSD, who can tell me just off the top of their head, that is one big company of motorsports. Holley, then you have who else? Holley MSD. Who else is under that? Who can tell me?
Hooker.
What's that? Hooker, thank you very much. What is the performance division through Hooker? Who said that? Look at you, Blackheart. You're the Mr. Knowledge guy, I like that. So you got Holley, you got the Excel Performance Group, Mr. Gasket, Earls. Look at this, it keeps going. All the people at Holley are going, yeah, keep going. What else you got? Here we go.
You should throw out the rest of the shirts. Throw them out! Get the two shirts out of here! Get them out of here!
Alright, I'm loading up. Alright.
Yeah! Right, okay. There's some people here ready. Is this it?
We have the ticket, that's the ticket.
We have a hand. Whoa! 248-1376. Winner here at Hot Rod Power Tour 2018. Congratulations! Woo! That's awesome. You are the lucky winner of a sniper system. We'll hook you up. Thank you so much to everyone that came. We had a blast talking to everyone. I really enjoyed getting to meet everyone. Thank you so much. Have a safe trip back to wherever you came from. And we'll see you next year. Thank you.
Hot Rod Power Tour 2018 has come to an end. It's day 7, it's all done. If you got any questions, let us know. I had a ton of fun. If you think about coming out, I highly recommend it. If you just want to try it out, you can come in just a couple days. You don't have to do the whole tour, but the whole tour is pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe our stuff on Facebook and YouTube, and we'll see you next time.